Absolute power, absolute aggression. This kid's the real deal.
I agree. Oh, with the sneak attack.
But why?
Jump-starting the action here.
This isn't very sportsmanlike.
Oh, give me a break, Saxton.
The referee officially starts the match.
Oh, man. Yeah, the refs got their hands full in this one.
Just going all out with every blow.
Ooh, merciless looking blow.
What a shot. Oh, right on the arm.
Not good. He counters with a great reversal. Solid punch. Set buffeting. Oh, sweet.
Nicely done. He's able to slip away from that.
Here he comes, sliding back into the ring.
Look out!
Soaring out of the ring, looking to do it.
Big right hand. Perched up top. This will not end well. Grabbing an item to run to the ring is perfectly within the duties of being a manager.
I think these superstars' imaginations are just running wild about now.
For sure, but it's important not to get too ambitious in an Extreme Rules match. After all, any weapons or hazards you introduce could get turned against you. You need a method to your madness.
Fist drop!
Right to the spine.
Oh, my goodness.
Just punishing their opponent.
Ooh, catches him with a kick. Oh, God.
Big blow could be felt throughout the arena.
Clothesline! Oh, Bron Breakker, look at the power! Military press!
Does the official not see him removing the turnbuckle pad?
Keep your voice down. Ruthless striking. You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win. What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there.
Knight doesn't have any room to recover.
Yeah, but Knight needs to remain resourceful in this situation. Powerbomb!
Over and over again, getting beaten down with force.
Down with a power bomb. And these attacks do a lot more than just wear you down. They get to you mentally as well. Power bomb! And you are seeing someone who is doing anything they want and will. Now with the power bomb.
There is a hunt happening right now, and the prey is helpless.
Power bomb.
This is not just exhibiting your power. There's certainly some arrogance behind these attacks.
Up the rope he goes.
Taking flight.
Whoa, look out. The 1-2 punch of high risk, high reward. I don't know if this is a good idea. This is going to take more strength than he has left.
A lift up.
Powerbomb planted.
Just a relentless assault from Bron.
I can't dispute Breakker's strategy right now.
Wow! Oh, right on the arm.
Uh-oh. Fought back with a punch to the gut.
Oh, look at this. Neck lock into it. Neck lock suplex. He's been dealt a good deal of damage.
Yeah, Extreme Rules matches eventually take their toll on everyone.
Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg. So powerful. Carefully measured knee drop. Bam! Targeting a body part, working the arm.
And Bron's having trouble managing this onslaught.
Bron's on the wrong side of every exchange.
With the counter.
Bron able to take a stand there.
Brief sign of adrenaline from Bron. Right in the solar plexus.
Pops up their opponent. Into reverse power slam. Wow.
Ooh, what a
a damaging blow. Oh, God.
And a burst of offense from a battered Breakker.
Nice being taken into the deep waters here.
Off the barricade. Back suplex onto the barricade.
All the momentum has swung tonight.
Yeah, Knight's smash mouth style is on display. Measured knee drop.
One step ahead of Knight there.
Clothesline! Off with their head.
Clothesline!
Knight shows his agility.
Oh, the clothesline.
Setting course to the top turnbuckle.
He's doing some dangerous redecorating.
I think the table really ties it all together.
Bron lining him up from the top turnbuckle. And he's going to the top. From the top. All the way down on the floor.
Crashed and burned on the outside.
The worst case scenario when you go high risk. Smart, attacking the arm.
Carefully measured knee drop.
Ooh, knee drop connects. Ooh, right to the arm. So much damage inflicted.
Breakker can't seem to get out of harm's way.
Tough spot for Bron to be in.
With a speed bag.
Taking out the arm, great strategy. Jarring impact. Carefully measured knee drop.
Nice counter from Breakker.
Bron's finally able to slow all that incoming offense.
Yeah, Breakker's survival instincts are taking over.
Dodges out of the way.
Ruthless chop block.
Showing off their deadlifting prowess and just tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Getting tossed around. And his core might be a bigger target now.
Over and over, repeated waistlock takedowns. Incoming. Big time powerbomb.
Just another insane display of power.
Oh, did you hear that thud? Authority has been established right now. Powerbomb.
And the intensity of each attack is only getting more furious.
Down with a powerbomb. And right now, this is just one hell of a beating happening.
Laid down with a powerbomb. This absolutely brings new meaning to ragdolling your opponent. Ooh, got caught with a punch to the face.
European uppercut. And Bron has earned the upper hand here.
Yeah, Breakker isn't giving any quarter.
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing. Heaved aside, jeez.
And here he is, heading back into the ring.
Oh no, Corey, the table's just been set on fire.
This is too far.
Onto the apron, and now taking out the ladder.
Doing more than that, Cole. Making some kind of bridge. I've never seen this end well.
planning something big here.
From the top, misses big time. Just tremendous raw power from Bron Breakker.
Into the power slam. Wow.
Immediate cover after the impact. Kicks out after one.
Surprised to not even get a 2 count at this point.
And now, Knight is getting beaten down.
Knight is going to have to dig down deep here. Saw it coming and slowed it down with the back elbow.
I don't know if this is a good idea. This is going to take more strength than he has left.
A lift up. Would you look at this? She is removing the turnbuckle pad now.
Deadlift back suplex.
Showing off their deadlifting prowess and just
Tossing him aside. And it's clear that he is in excruciating pain here.
His body truly can't take much more of this. I hope we have medics standing by.
landing hard off the back suplex.
A fire has been lit inside of Breakker.
Full focus from Bron.
Oh, he timed that counter well.
And Knight puts a quick stop to the momentum that was mounting against him.
Brief sign of adrenaline from LA.
Oh no! Set to the table!
Just a mess of wood and flesh after that.
Oh, ouch!
Kick lands.
A close line. With all these blows to the head, he has to be disoriented.
I think that's the plan, Cole. Try to keep him on the back foot.
Tearing down the leg now. Stomping down. Breakker showing no answer for this attack.
Breakker needs to find that spark and rally.
Has them up. Nice waistlock takedown. Holding on. How about another?
Repeated waistlock takedowns. Impressive display of power.
Uh-oh.
Boom, one step ahead there.
Measured up nicely.
Fist drop. Oh.
He averts the offense.
Knight caught by surprise. Bron Breakker, his strength on display. This is absolutely incredible. Power slam.
Oh, man, this might be it.
He got the shoulder up in time.
Still gonna take a massive effort to keep him down. LA able to get out of the way.
Got the single arm underhook into it.
This could do it for the win. Shoulder shoots up before two.
You expect these pins to last much longer at this stage in the match.
Fist drop. The arm absorbing the damage.
The fist has been dropped.
Breakker turns the tables.
Has them up. Nice waistlock takedown. Holding on. How about another? Establishing complete control.
Incoming.
Crash landing. Powerbomb. Showing off their deadlifting prowess and just tossing their opponent like they're nothing. Downright savage club right there.
Clothesline.
And he manages to reverse.
Measured up nicely.
Fist drop. Starts things off with a knee to the head and follows it up with a discus clothesline.
So precise.
after the one.
He's still got more left in the tank.
Saw it coming. And he had Bron's number there. Oh, look at this. Neck lock into a suplex. LA Knight dishing it out now.
LA is doing a great job remaining engaged with the opposition.
Fist drop. Boom.
Saw what was coming and got out of dodge quick.
Bron fires back.
Bron able to take a stand there.
Brief sound of adrenaline from Bron. Beautiful gator roll.
Great way to disorient your opponent. Ooh.
Bron Breakker.
The Steiner recliner is locked in.
And writhing in pain, trying to find an escape.
I think his hopes of that are running out quick. You can feel him desperately trying to find a way, and he does. Look at this, got their opponent pinned down, and now just caught flush. He avoids the contact.
Oh, clothesline! Oh, torture rack submission!
It's a torture rack. This is the moment when you're desperate to find a counter.
Oh, look at the elbows right to the mush!
Neck is trapped.
Suplex!
Oh, putting focus on the arm here. Bron dodges just in time.
Set up for the side Russian leg sweep.
Able to avoid damage with an evasive maneuver.
Counter. He knew just what to do.
Has them up. Nice waistlock takedown. Holding on. How about another?
Repeated waistlock takedowns.
And back elbow creates separation. Clothesline!
One more big blow there.
He's not going to be able to pull this off, is he?
Oh,
Is he?
yeah.
Wow! Over and over, repeated waistlock takedowns. Ooh! Beautiful gator roll.
Great way to disorient your opponent.
Knight in a state of distress.
This can't be how Knight envisioned this fight going.
Stunning display of power. Uh-oh.
Turn it around with a reversal.
And just in time, he gets out of there.
This is an unwieldy attack from Bron.
Yeah, Breakker isn't giving any quarter.
Short-arm lariat.
Bron Breakker identifying the
And he saw that coming from Bron.
And Knight is finally changing the tempo with that attack.
time now for Knight to battle back into this fight.
This has been a colossal battle to this point. No superstar is showing signs of backing down.
We are seeing all their best on display, but it might just come down to who can take advantage of a pivotal mistake.
Knight doesn't have any room to recover.
LA has run into a roadblock.
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Oh, just deadlifting their opponent.
Oh, sent flying.
We have a pin. Shoulders are down. Still only got one.
Still has a great amount of fight in them. Not going to let it end like this.
Tossing them aside. And Breakker showcasing his arsenal.
And I bet Bron's looking to inflict more damage too.
Knight might be looking to fly.
From the top.
Oh, brutal miscalculation. Incoming. Big time powerbomb.
Knight in a state of distress.
This can't be how Knight envisioned this fight going.
Pop right in the stomach creates the separation.
A chain of reversals here. Every motion getting cut off.
Look at the military press and turns it into a power slam.
Going for the cover. Hold on.
They're cheating. Come on.
Oh, come on. Plain as day, his feet were on the ropes. Bad call.
Here is your winner, Bron Breakker.
A surprisingly fast victory here tonight.
There's the consequences of getting caught unprepared. Just goes to show you, you got to be on your toes at all times.